Okay, so today we are just looking at arrays one more time on my board that I have. So before we even begin, we are talking about arrays. And in arrays, we have rows that go this way, and we have columns that go this way, up and down. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this array, and then we're going to make our number models. And then on the second one, I have a number model, so we'll have to figure out what our array looks like. So this is just a video where you can be doing this with me at home, or you can just be watching. So in this array, I'm going to use a different color. I see an array that has 4 plus 4 plus 4. So that can be my first number model. I'm going to write that down. 4 plus 4 plus 4. And we know that 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So if you wanted to check your answer, you can count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here is my first number model. The next way we can find is going the opposite way, going up and down for our columns. So now our next repeated addition number model would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I'm going to write that now. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And if we're looking at the same array, it has the same amount in it. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so in second grade, that is all we are worried about. But for my friends who are ready, remember, arrays prep us for multiplication. So what our multiplication would look like is we have 3 rows, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. So our multiplication sentence would be 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. I'll write that up here so you can see it. So it would be 3 times 4 is 12. Or their turnaround facts, it could be 4 times 3 is 12. So again, you won't get into that until third, maybe even fourth grade is when you're going to really hit it hard. But arrays are what gets us ready for that. So now we are going to look at our repeated addition to figure out what our array looks like. So the first thing I see is 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I know we're going to have 8 x's in our array. And then down here it says 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. So again, we're going to have 8. The way I'm going to set it up is I'm going to look at my first number model. I have 4 plus 4. So that would make me think that I would want to do this. 4. So there's 4. So then 4 plus 4. So I think that works with my number model. I'm going to check with, I'll use this same. So here's 4 plus 4. So that worked. Now I want to check and see if my answer is right, doing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I should be able to do that on my array. So this way is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that equals 8. So my array is correct. So that's how it's, for me, I think it's easier to look at the array and then come up with your number model. But I know on tests, sometimes it has your number model first and you have to create the array. So you always look at the first number model and then create it from there. So I think I have some things on my computer that I can put on our lessons, and you guys can figure out your arrays and turn them in so I can make sure that you know what you're doing. Like I said, we did these in class and you guys were really good at them. So this is kind of a review, but we're digging deeper into it. So if you guys have any questions on arrays, please let me know, and thanks for listening.